You play first before you borrow.
What do you call this one? Hmm?
How old are you? Who's your crush? Tell Mommy Alona who's your crush.
Where's your crush?
Who's your crush? Shout your crush. Shout your crush name. Tell Mommy Alona who's your crush. Who's your crush?
Papa niya.
Hadia.
Ha? Hadiya?
Ay, hindi ba ako sama ko kayo? Raway ang ano na. Raway na punta.
Magkaon ka na. Dali na. Kaon ka? Ha? Kaon ka?
Ilis rin ito panahon.
Bye, Mom. Change your clothes na. Change your clothes.
Here's your uniforms na.
Tyler is the super ugly.
Who's ugly? Tita Chin or Mommy? Ah, Tita Chin! Where's beautiful?
Tita Chin.
Mommy? Mommy Luna! Sorry! Sorry! Mommy Luna is more beautiful than Tita. Tita Chin.
I will not play with you anymore.
I want
No, you're so ugly.